Welcome back, and now it's over to Mike for the weather.
Yes, thank you, Jen. Good evening once again. Quite simply, prepare yourself for an absolute scorcher tomorrow. We're looking at 35 degrees in Melbourne, 35. That's our hottest in around 7 months. It's going to be a warm night tomorrow night, and then Friday almost there at 34 degrees. It'll be a warm night Friday night, and then yes, sirree, the heavens will open and it will be still a soggy Saturday. But I tell you what, the next 48 hours, these beaches and the piers and the bays will be chock-a-block. So let's talk about today's weather. And it was a fairly blue sky day. Bit of cloud about in some suburbs this morning. 14 degrees the overnight low. The average for this time of year is 20. We scored 22 degrees a couple of hours ago. It was possibly going to get a bit warmer, but there's been a bit of a bayside sea breeze, keeping temperatures down a little bit. So the further away from the bay you were, the better. At the moment, it is 21 degrees. The humidity at 55%. The wind all day has been a southerly, currently in the city at 12 kilometres per hour, but blowing down by the bay closer to 20. Around town today, and have a look at some of those numbers, and it did get warmer the further away from the bay you were, including 31 degrees this afternoon in the Yarra Valley. Across our state, and quite simply, it was another hot day away from any sea breeze. Temperatures, wow, up to 12 degrees above average. Bit of cloud about this morning in the south, and again it was rainless. 36 today's max in the northwest. Midweek around the country, over in Perth, 22 degrees. Adelaide, sizzling, 36 there today, 36 there again tomorrow. In contrast, just 16 degrees with a southeasterly down in Hobart. Canberra was close to 30. And in Sydney, where a guy tried to escape an Apple store but couldn't, there were no windows, smoky, and 26 degrees, the smoke due to bushfires up in Port Macquarie. The weather charts, a high pressure system linking up with another high in the Tasman Sea, simply means we'll be hit with hot winds from the country's interior. So yep, a sizzling couple of days ahead with desert winds. The rainfall chart, well, firstly, good rains are falling up in Queensland, around 50 mils inland from Rocky. Locally, we've got a big change Friday night, Saturday, as a rain band moves across our state, reaching the west Friday night, central Victoria around midnight, and then a soggy Saturday. 10 to 15 mils will be popular across the south and also in the northeast ranges. Interstate tomorrow as we wrap up October. Hobart 30, then 31 on Friday. Sydney 27 the next couple of days. Canberra 32 the next 2 days, and then heavy rain Sunday in our national capital. Closer to home across our state, hot and dry and sunny with northerlies. Find some shade. 35, 36 for the likes of Bendigo, Shepparton, Bairnsdale, Sale, Horsham, as well as the usual suspects, Mildura and Swan Hill. And tomorrow, a strong wind warning for Port Phillip. Around Melbourne for Halloween. It's fun. It's going to be a scorcher, so sort of scary, I guess, if you don't have aircon or a fan or a friend with a pool. For example, Geelong, 13 to 36 degrees. And on the bays, we'll have northeasterly winds tending north-westerly to 25 knots, waves pushing up to 1.5 metres. But so for our spooky city by the bay, remaining warm this evening, finally down to 17 before shooting up to 35 degrees, 35 around 15 degrees above average, our hottest since the 6th of March. Sunny skies, north-westerly winds getting to 40 kilometres per hour, a sleepless night tomorrow night. Then Friday, 22 to 34, again a hot one, but this time we'll see cloud building up in the afternoon, and it will get windy, then rain around midnight. So Saturday will be wet, 10 to 15 mils of rain, mainly in the morning, but not as cold as the past Saturdays. On Saturday, 18 to 24. Sunday, 22. Cup Eve, 18 degrees. And the Cup Day, early mail, 20 degrees and dry and sunny. So that is the forecast day. Cool tomorrow. I'm thinking, ice cream. I'll see you tomorrow night. Oh, Halloween. Jen.
Thank you, Mike. And that's 10 News First for this Monday, October 28. From the team, good night.